Takbong Pinoy! Tara na, isuot ng sapatos, sabay-sabay tayong sumaya. Sa Takbong Pinoy, lahat sama-sama, salubungin ng magandang umaga. Paglabas ng bahay, may araw na kay saya. Tumatakbo ang tropa, may hangarin na maganda. Di lang para pumayat o para sa forma lang, kundi para sa kalusugan, yan ang tunay na laban. Pawis man ay patak ng sipag at saya, kada hakbang tagumpay sa bawat umaga. Fun run o marathon, kahit anong distansya, basta Pinoy ang tumakbo, may puso't pag-asa. Takbong Pinoy, takbong may ngiti, takbo para sa puso, salang sa resistensya rin. Takbong Pinoy, sama-sama tayo dyan, lakad, takbo o jogging lang, basta't masaya't malakas ang katawan. Takbong Pinoy, para sa kinabukasan, kalusugan ng puhunan, laban sa karamdaman. Takbong Pinoy, araw-araw kay saya, lahat sama-sama salubungin ng magandang umaga. Oy pare, takbo na!
Distance 1 kilometer. Duration 8
1K.
minutes and 40 seconds. Pace for the best 1 kilometer was 8 minutes and 40 seconds. Current heart rate was
1 kilometer.
27. Best 1 kilometer was 9
2K.
and 1 second. Current heart rate 120
2 kilometers.
per minute. Pace for the best 1 kilometer
3K.
was 8 minutes and
Woo!
56
Ah!
seconds. Current heart rate 138.
Go! Let's go!
Best 1 kilometer was
4K.
minutes and 7 seconds.
Let's go!
130
Takbong Pinoy.
steps per minute.
Woo! Ah! Okay, 5 kilometers na tayo guys. 5 pray muna tayo dito. Pikasen. Oh! Ako sila muna tayo guys. Hydration. Nawawala ng ice. Kailangan natin yan. Pag malayo tinatakbo, kuha ka ng tube ice, tapos lagay-lagay mo lang dito, dip bato, diba, mare-refresh ka. Kuha tayong water. Alright, let's go.
It's 5 kilometers. Duration
5K.
46 minutes and 18 seconds.
Let's go.
Pace for the best 1 kilometer was 10 minutes and 30 seconds. Distance 6 kilometers. Duration
6 kilometers.
minutes and
Let's go.
2 seconds. Pace for the best 1 kilometer.
Pinoy. Kaya na to. U-turn na tayo. So far almost 8 kilometers na tayo. Let's go!
Distance 8 kilometers.
8K!
Duration 1 hour 16
Let's go!
and 51 seconds. Pace for the best.
9K! 9 kilometers! Let's go! Intramuros!
Distance 10 kilometers. Duration
10 kilometers! Let's go!
minutes and 50 seconds. Pace for the best. 1 kilometer. Pace for the best.
11 kilometers!
Was 10 minutes.
Let's go!
And 26 seconds. Current heart rate 190 beats per minute. Was 9 minutes.
12K!
38
12 kilometers!
seconds. Current heart
Let's
rate
go!
139 beats per minute.
Alright, 15 kilometers! Go, go, go! Takbong Pinoy!
6 seconds.
17K! 17 kilometers!
Beats per minute.
Let's go!
Duration 3 hours.
19 kilometers! Let's go!
1 kilometer was 10 minutes. 30 seconds. Current heart rate 124 beats per minute. Kilometers. Duration
20 kilometers! Let's go!
9 seconds. Pace for the best. 1 kilometer. Distance 21 kilometers. Duration
21 kilometers!
26 minutes.
We're done!
38 seconds. Pace for the best. 1 kilometer.
We're
Was
done.
9 minutes and 40 seconds. Current heart rate 129 beats per minute.
Alright, cool down na tayo guys. Natapos natin yung 21 kilometers. 3 hours and 27 minutes. Thanks God. Thank you all, to all my subscriber. Salamat sa inyo lahat. Sa mga hindi pa nagsasubscribe sa aking YouTube channel, please subscribe. Takbong Pinoy. Once again, ito si Kuya Arman nyo sa Takbong Pinoy in the house. Thank you very much.
Takbong Pinoy! Tara na, tara na. Isuot na ang sapatos, sabay-sabay tayong sumaya. Sa Takbong Pinoy, lahat sama-sama. Salubungin ng magandang umaga. Paglabas ng bahay, may araw na kay saya. Tumatakbo ang tropa, may hangarin na maganda. Di lang para pumayat o para sa forma lang, kundi para sa kalusugan. malusog pa. Takbong Pinoy